The next topic in this unit is possessive adjectives and pronouns. Just like with demonstratives, we have possessive adjectives that will introduce nouns and possessive pronouns that will replace nouns. If you notice, we have three columns. We have the unstressed form, which would come before a noun, like mi amigo or mis amigos, tu amigo or tus amigos, etc. And we have the stressed form, which is the longer form of the possessive. In the second two columns, where it says noun plus mio or noun plus mia, we use that when we want to emphasize a relationship. So for example, a friend of mine is in town, un amigo mio. If the friend was a female, we would say una amiga mia. You can see here the English translations of the short forms, the mi, tu, su, nuestro, and su. Nuestro is the only one that has four forms. The stressed form, again, is going to reinforce that relationship of. We have the tendency to want to put the word de, like un amigo de mio, because that's how we say it in English. But in Spanish, un amigo mio means a friend of mine. When we use the verb ser with a stressed possessive, we do not use the article in front. So if I were to say, the jacket or the coat is mine, el abrigo es mío, we do not say el abrigo es el mío. We omit the el. Esa bufanda es suya. Is that scarf hers? Again, we don't say esa bufanda es la suya because the possessive is coming after the verb ser. Again, possessive adjectives are used with nouns, so we want to make sure that they agree in number and gender. With the possessive pronoun, if you notice, just like before, we need to add something. So now when we remove the noun, we have to add an article. So if I was saying his car is blue and mine is black, I'm using el mío to refer to the car. It replaces the noun el carro. The formula for possessive pronouns is the definite article, el, la, los, or las, plus the stressed possessive. These are going to replace nouns, and again, everything must agree with the noun that it is replacing in number and gender. One thing to note is the possessive pronoun agrees with what is being replaced, not with the possessor, meaning the person who owns it. A couple sentences, my pants are blue and hers are red. We're referring to the pants, so mis pantalones son azules. I use mis because it's introducing the noun, whereas in the second part of the sentence, I use los suyos son rojos because I'm now replacing the pants. In número dos, a teacher of mine, I'm reinforcing that relationship, so I use mío after the noun. Again, it does not matter that I am a female, mío is going to agree with profesor. And in the third example, nuestros pendientes son más grandes y los suyos son muy chicos. Nuestros is agreeing with pendientes, whereas los suyos is replacing the pendientes. Even though we're saying they are hers, we use the masculine form because it's replacing pendientes. It does not agree with the possessor, but instead the item being possessed.